Austin, what are you eating? What do you have right there?
Apple.
That's apple. What's the other one?
Orange.
Orange?
Yeah.
No, it's not orange. Strawberry.
Okay.
So what did you do today? Did you jump?
Yeah.
You did? Was it fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? You are so brave. You were jumping up and down.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then what else did you do? You played basketball?
Yeah.
Yeah. Got lots of tickets. That's where you got your candy from. Yeah.
Tickets.
You got tickets. Lots of tickets.
Mm.
Oh, somebody's calling me.